Hi everyone, today let's see how to use the nested if condition in Excel. So a couple of days back I got a request from one of my friends. So this is what is requirement. So let's see how to use the nested if. So actually there is a trick here. See, you have to use two conditions everywhere, like 80% and 75%, 90% and 80%. So instead of using AND condition, we start with upper limit, like if it is 100%. See, like this, if it is 100%, then 100. If it is between 90% and 100%, 90. So how we do that? Okay, let's see Excel example here. Okay, so this is the formula. Excel alpha first 100%. So first check if it is 100%. If this is equals to 100%, then 100 points, 100. Else, okay, we need to go upwards. So in the else section, we need to check whether this is between 100 and 90%. So we have to put one more if here, right? Right, so one more if, second nested if, right? So in this check we need to check whether it's between 90 and 100%. So for that we don't have to check whether it's 100 or not, because we have already tested for 100. So what we do here, we will check whether it is above 90. So if this is greater than 90%, then 90. Okay, we don't have to check here 100 because we have already tested 100 here, right? So if it is greater than 90, it's 90%, then 90 again. So next condition is between 80% and 90%. So we again have to check the 80%. We don't have to check for 90% because we have already tested for 90% here, right? So we need to put third if condition here. If this is greater than 80%, then the points will be 85, right? So again we don't have to check here for 90% because we have already tested here. It's coming top down, right? So for 85 it's done. So next we need to check for between 75 and 80%, right? Put one more if condition. If this is greater than 75%, then it is 50. Points is 50, right? This is up. So point 50 is over now. So now the last one is 75. So if it is not matching anything of these, it is obviously 0 points, right? Okay, don't have to put one more if, it's end 0. Okay, so now we have not closed all the closing braces for all the ifs. So Excel as a feature, it will automatically close all the matching opening braces. So you just say enter. Okay, right? Excel found an error in the formula. You enter it. Do you want to accept the correction proposed below? Yes. Okay, so it will automatically close the braces correspondingly to the if condition. Say yes, right? This is all. So let's check now. whether our formula works or not. Okay, so now this, okay, this is percentage, and this is points, right? Okay, according to this, if it is 0%, we should get 0 points, right? If it is between 80% and 75%, more than 75%, less than 80%. If it is 75, it should be 50. Okay, no, because it is greater than 75, less than 80. So if I put 74, again 0, right? If we put 76, should be 50, right? Okay, so let's check for 80%. If it is 80% or less than 80%, it should be 50, right? If it is more than 80%, it should be 85, 81, right? Okay, so let's check it for between 80% and 90%. Okay, if it is greater than 80%, that is 85, yeah, correct. If it is 90, still 85%, 85, still 85. If it is 91%, it should be 90, right? 92%, everything till 100. 99 is also 90%. Okay, if it is 100, it is 100 points, right? Okay, let's see how it works. First, we are going to check whether if it is 100%, right? We have to go top down, whether, I mean top down in the sense the larger number. See, in this, if it is 100%, there is no other condition applies. Whether, I mean, we don't have to check any other condition because we are going from top down, right? So first condition, obviously it's very simple. If it is 100%, right, we don't have to check for any other condition, so 100 points. Next is if it is between 90% and 100%, right? So okay, I'll put 91, right? See, this is between 91 and 100, right? We have to check the upper limit, we don't have to check the lower limit here, right? Okay, 91% is equal to 90 points, right? Okay, see here, it will check if the value is greater than 90, that's all it is checking, right? It is not checking whether it's less than 100 because we have already tested here. Okay, the Excel formula works left to right. See, as soon as it encounters 100%, it will not go further, right? So as soon as it sees if it's greater than 90%, if the formula fulfills, it will go, I mean, put the value, right? So we don't have to check for whether it's less than 100. So again, the third condition, if it is 81, right, we are checking here for between 80% and 90%. Here we don't have to check the upper limit, we have to check the lower limit because the upper limit is already tested in the second condition, right? This is how it goes. Try out, use this. Thanks for watching.